Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful design of crochet cat beanie for girls, and these are very adorable and playful hat designs specifically for young girls featuring cat inspired designs, and they are very trending nowadays. These beanies are handmade using crochet techniques and are typically made with soft yarn or thread to provide warmth and comfort. You will get a really cute cat designs. If you are cat lover, I would definitely recommend you guys to design, or you can buy it by yourself from crochet shops, or if you love to do crocheting you can do it by yourself and you will save your money. The beanie resembles a cat face with cute cat ears and sometimes even embroidered or crocheted facial features such as eyes, nose and whiskers. They come in a variety of colors and styles, allowing for personalized and fun looks. Crochet cat beanies for girls are perfect for keeping their head warm while adding a touch of whimsy and cuteness to their outfits. You can match it with any outfit and you can pair it with casual and formal dress. It's all up to you guys how you design it and how you pair it with your dress, and you will look so gorgeous and trending in the same time. So yeah friends, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friend, and do let me know your favorite crochet beanie from this video. So thank you, bye bye. Don't, by the way, don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you.